Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find recently watched videos on Facebook. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you got to open up the Facebook app and find the three horizontal lines. Okay. Tap on it. Now go ahead and find settings and privacy. Now tap on settings. Okay. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, got to scroll down and find the section your activity. Now in here, just tap on activity log. Tap on it. Now in here, just tap on activity history. Tap on it. Now in this section, just tap on filters. Tap categories, your Facebook activity. Now go ahead and find videos or even reels. Okay. Or tap on post. And here we have videos you've watched. Okay. And that is it. If you want to, you can go ahead and clear this watch history. That's how you find recently watched videos on Facebook. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.